Hey guys, welcome to Commercial Art. I'm Miss Crawford. Some of you have already had my class before, and some of you are new. I'd like to welcome everyone that's new. I'm really sorry that we aren't in the classroom right now, but we're going to try to learn as much as we can and have fun while doing it. So, I've asked you in your first assignment to fill out a survey so that I can learn about you. And I have made a presentation so you can learn about me. So I'm going to minimize my screen and we'll get started. Like I said, this is Commercial Art. Welcome. I'm excited to have you. 1 second. So I have been teaching for a long time. 12 years. I taught in Texas. I've taught everything from pre-K through 12th grade art. And I have been in Trinidad since 2016. This is my third year working for Trinidad schools and my second year working for Trinidad High School. I used to teach first grade at Eckhart Elementary. So this is me just at the high school last year having a good time, and me at Eckhart for Dr. Seuss Day. And then I've also done the chalk walls at Eckhart Elementary as well, and that's fun. I love to teach. I love kids. I love to share my knowledge of art and get everybody excited about just being creative. These are my fur babies. This is my dog, Bubba, and my cat. Her name is Tika, but she has several names. So does Bubba. We call him Bubs, Bubber, that kind of thing. But Bubs is a red-nosed pit bull, and he's a rescue. He's lived a very hard life until I found him, and now he is spoiled. You can see how happy he is. And then Tika is 17 years old. She's the softest cat you will ever feel in your life, and she's the sweetest cat you will ever meet. She loves people. I am married. This is my husband. You might see him around town. We will be married 2 years in November. We like to have a lot of fun, as you can see in our Care Bear outfits, so we don't take ourselves too seriously. So his name is Mr. Jones. I don't have his last name yet because whatever, it's just taken too long, but I go by Miss Crawford for now, but technically I am Mrs. Jones. But you can call me Crawford. I like to have a lot of fun. This is my panda head. I like to bust out the panda head whenever I want to, and I like to make people laugh, and I like to have a lot of fun with whatever it is I'm doing, because life is too short not to have fun, right? So this is me and the panda head. You might see the panda head at some point this year. My favorite holiday is Halloween. I love Halloween. I love to dress up. I like the fall. I love pumpkins. If we were in class, we would totally be carving pumpkins this year. So maybe we'll get there. If not, you'll have to carve one at home. But carving pumpkins for me is a tradition. So when we get back into the classroom, this year, next year, and if we can carve pumpkins, we'll put them out in the atrium for everyone to see. It's a lot of fun. I love to dress up. I love to paint faces. Oh, Halloween again. I start celebrating in September. I'll make a cake. I also made my own Nightmare Before Christmas tree. I made all the ornaments on it. All the bows are bats. I painted all the ornaments to look like the characters. I made my own zero tree topper, and I keep it up from, sometimes I put it up in September, and I keep it up all the way through Christmas and then I take it down after New Year's. So it's just easier that way, but I love Nightmare Before Christmas. I also love movies, but more importantly, I love Harry Potter. I was very, very fortunate to go to England and visit the set at the London Warner Brothers Studios. And I got to see all the props and all the artwork and all the artwork that was turned in when they were coming up with ideas for the movies. And I will tell you, it was the best experience of my life. And it also taught me that there are many avenues and many jobs in art that you can do. Somebody painted all of those oil paintings that move. Somebody made all those letters that fell from the living room or came in through the mail slot. They made an actual Diagon Alley. I've walked through it, all the costumes, all the drawings for the concept art. Before they made all the models, they made them in paper. And that was really cool to see. So it was a really interesting experience for me, and I will never ever forget it. And I just have more appreciation for what goes into movies, but more importantly, went into the Harry Potter series. So, my hobbies, I love to sing. I didn't know I could sing until about a year and a half ago, and I started doing karaoke. My husband and I used to host karaoke at Los Animas Grill. Hopefully, we can get back to that soon. And because I was doing karaoke, I got approached to be in a band, and this is my best friend and I. We have sung at Bricks, we've sung at Los Animas Grill, and some other places. I know a lot of musicians in town, so you might actually see me singing around town once we get back to normal. So it's just fun. I've had many jobs. So over in right here, I was a child actor as a kid. And I used to travel with my mom to LA. She would take me out of school and we would go and I would audition. And I've met some stars and had some stories when I was young, but I retired. My mom didn't think that I could handle it, and I just decided to be done. So I didn't pursue that. I have worked at a sign shop right here. Our shirts, we made shirts, stickers, we did car decals, we've wrapped vehicles before, we've made all kinds of signs, and that was a really good experience for me as an artist. Then I worked for an entertainment company, and I was an elf every Christmas, and I face painted. Am also a psychic and have gone all over the U.S. to different universities and done readings for different student activities. I've also done henna tattoos. You might have seen me around town painting faces at Blues Fest and at the parades. And then here's an example of some of my face painting. So these are just many things that I like to do and have done. But the biggest thing is I am a CEO of my own company, Colorbox Studio, where I have painted and gone to conventions and gone to festivals to sell my artwork. And I've turned my artwork into stickers, magnets, coasters, jewelry, and it's just been a lot of fun and a good experience. One of my biggest conventions I did is called Texas Frightmare Weekend, which is a scary movie convention, and I have sold work to a movie star. Here's some commissions that I did. I discovered that I love to paint. And these were put in a transmission shop. I've done people's animals, and I've also done other sports and things like that for people. I do have some paintings in restaurants in various places in the United States and doctors' offices. So here's some more examples. Here's some of the scary movie stuff that I did. American Horror Story on one side and Edward Scissorhands on the other. All these paintings have been sold. And here's some example of some artwork that we've done over the years in class. I did the elephant is a Zentangle, which we did last year. We might do Zentangle again, just because it's a lot of fun and you can do many things with it. And then I did the checker one, so we might do that. We did the trees last year, so that's my Halloween tree that I love. I did a picture of Kurt Cobain, and then I also am a graphic artist and I like to work on the computer, so I just did a little piece for me. I love art and I'm super excited to create with you guys this year. I just want you to feel comfortable creating. If you don't feel like you're an artist or that you can't draw a stick figure, or you can't draw a straight line with a ruler, I've heard it all. It's okay. I grade you on you, and I just want you to have fun and learn and have fun creating and feel comfortable with that. So don't be scared. Ask me any questions that you have, and I would be more than happy to help you out as we go along. So um, I'm super duper excited, and I am excited to read all of your surveys to find out what it is you like about art, what you don't like about art. I know a lot of people, including myself, that have had some negative experiences. So I really try to listen to what you're saying, what you like, what you don't like, and what you're expecting of me. Uh, because I want and everybody who's already taken my class knows that when you come into art or you come into the studio, I want you to think, oh yes, I have art next. I don't want you to think like, oh man, I have to go to art. I want you to come in here and be like, yes, feel good about it. When we are in the classroom, we listen to music, um, we have fun, we talk, and it's just, I want you to feel like it's a safe space for you to just relax and really dig into your imagination and your creativity. So thank you so much for watching this, and I cannot wait until we get started. I know there's going to be some technical difficulties in the beginning, but we will get through it. All I ask is that you communicate with me. As long as you're telling me what's going on and I can try to help you, you will be fine. Okay? So welcome again, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I can't wait to see you next week. Bye.